There we go.
Not to see it, in case you forgot.
Well, I was thinking of you when the rice birds flew, when the false dawn came with the morning dew. Well, you're a thunderstorm raging outside my garage. You're the white shirt peeking through my camouflage. All right. I was thinking of you and I won't forget the tale of the turtle in the bayou tesh. Well, I cannot dance, but I can hang on. Some sweet memory down in Oberlin. I was thinking of you at the Mardi Gras. Fords and Chevys like I never saw. I wish you were there to dance with me, to hear that Cajun symphony. All right. Well, I was thinking of you at the LA bar. I got so drunk I couldn't drive my car. I was dreaming about you with my 10-ounce beer, dreaming sweet daydreams, wishing you were here. Well, I was thinking of you when you had braids in your hair. It was down in Houston, could have been anywhere. I was dreaming about you in my changing ways. Still think about you in my traveling days. I was thinking of you where the sunset glows, down the old Mississippi where the Gulf wind blows. I was dreaming about you in the fleur-de-lis. Well, I was wishing I was wishing